In the next class, I will ask you questions, okay? The units that I had given you for the exam. So please study and I shall ask you questions from the two units that I had already told you about. Okay, so next you have your next class on not today. Okay, the class that you're going to have today, I'm not talking about that class. The next class that you will be having on Thursday. Okay, so Thursday and maybe Friday too, because I think I'll need 2 days to interact with all of you. So that's why Thursday and Friday I'll be asking you questions. Okay, now because I have told you that I'll be asking you questions, so like most of you might not join. Please join. Do not behave in this manner because otherwise you will not get any idea. So that is why discussion is good, isn't it? It will be basically a discussion. If you have any doubts, if you have any kind of doubts related to the chapters uh, that I had asked you to study, so you can definitely ask me. If you have any doubts, so go through the chapters, go through the units, first and second unit, and along with that, I'll also ask you a few questions just to see whether you have studied or not. Is it clear? So please study, all right? It's very easy. You just have to be thorough with the basic things. If the concept is clear, then you don't have to by heart it as well. Okay, the concept has to be clear, and the subject is uh, kind of easy, isn't it? It's kind of easy. So study. Once you study, you will definitely be able to understand. And if you have any doubts related to any topic, then definitely I'm there to help you. I'm there to explain you. All right. but because it's but because it's an easy subject, a lot of students, they think that I'll not study, it will be very easy. Do not act like that. Okay, do not do that, because there are students who fail because of this very thought. So that's why study properly, and the concept should be clear. All right. Any other questions, anything you want to know? Ma'am, if anyone could not attend because of network problem, then so I would actually suggest you to uh, appear for the exam. Go to a place where you have a good network coverage. Okay, I know network is a very big issue, but you know that you'll be having exams on uh, 14th, 15th and 16th. Okay, so if at your home, if you do not if the network coverage is not that good, if you do not get network or something like that, then go to a place where you can uh, give where you can give the exam. Okay, so try to be in a place where there's a good network coverage. Okay, at your home itself, if there might be a room where you do not get network, and there might be another room where where you get good network. Okay, so figure it out, where do you get good network, and in that way you can like solve your this problem of network. And I know some of you live in places where you face a lot of network issues, so mm, for those 3 days, try to try to go to a place where you get good network, where there's good network coverage. Okay, so I would basically suggest you that, because mm, See, exams are something that you only get one chance to sit for the exam, isn't it? So that's why it's better to yeah, we don't have any idea. You never know what is gonna happen next. So that is why, like, it's better to like sit for the exam, appear for the exam. Ma'am, will there be time limit in Google Form? Yeah, yeah, of course. I had already uh, told you about this, that there'll be time limit, 1 hour. Okay, the time duration of your exam is maximum 1 hour. Okay, the link will be given to you. Suppose the link is given to you at 2 p.m. It will be closed. The link will be closed at 3 p.m. Okay, so there will be time limit. Any other questions? Anything you want to know? Okay, so I don't have time now. It's almost 11. So I'll see you in the next class in the afternoon. Okay, I'll see you in the next class in the afternoon. And I'll do a topic. I'll explain you a topic. And if you have any doubts regarding related to the topic that I had done earlier, that is group discussion, I had completed group discussion. I had also shared the notes with you all. So if you have any doubts related to group discussion, okay, you can ask me in the next class. All right. I'll be starting a new topic today itself in the afternoon. Okay, so that's
Yeah,
all.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Akram, do you want to ask me something?
No, ma'am, no.
Okay, fine. So, all of you, please join in the afternoon as well. So, that's all. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am.
everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.